Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a task in the Habitica productivity application, for example as a habit, as a to-do or as a daily task. So let us show you how to do it. Launch the Habitica application on your Android or on your iOS, and here on your home screen select the type of task you would like to create, like habits by tapping in the bottom left corner, a daily by selecting dailies here, or a to-do by tapping into to-do here. So let me go with a really simple to-do. To do that, select to-do here, and after that tap into that plus icon or button here and create a to-do task by tapping into the task title. So let me go, for example, with something like that, upload YouTube video on channel, something like that. You may describe that here in the notes below. Swipe down and you may add, for example, a checklist by tapping on that plus icon here and by adding several steps of the given task, for example, as a checklist. You may set a difficulty for the given to-do or task, trivial, easy, medium, hard. You may schedule the to-do, for example, and set a due date. For example, if the given task or to-do needs to be done up until tomorrow or due tomorrow, set a reminder for that due date, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, tap on create here in the top right corner to create the task or to-do. And now guys, the given task or to-do will be added to that list of to-dos here. So once complete, simply tap into that button to the left, just like that, to mark the given to-do as complete or done. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.